Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix insight option is not available on Instagram app. So just tap on your Instagram application, then tap here the right bottom corner on your screen, and you can see the three line right top corner. Simply tap on that, and you can see there is no option, insight option. So now click on the settings and privacy and scroll down. Then here you'll see the option account type and tools. It means you have to turn on your account personal to professional mode. So I'm just going to click account type and tool and switch to professional account and tap the continue and search there what type of account this one. So I'm just going to tap the video creator and done. Then you'll see the option which type of page this one, like creator or business, and just keep it like this, creator, and it's done. So click the cross, you can set the things, and you can see three line. Again tap on that and insert option is here now. So okay friend, today's normal, and thank you for watching.